Hey guys, we're going to walk around the city.
Yep.
This is gonna be great.
We're going to the Grand
Last time
Plaza.
we were hiking in the forest, which is boring. So
kind of boring.
I like the city better because you're standing on concrete, you're walking on concrete, you're not walking on a boring dirt road, which is pretty bad terrain. Just a normal, good road and good stone sidewalk. Now, we'll keep on going on, and so far everything's so good. So, nothing's really happening so much, but I don't really care. I mean, at least there's no bugs, no bushes. And wow, the city's looking great. Look at that.
Yeah, but there's bushes.
And it's not lonely around here. Like, remember in the forest? It was not that lonely around in the forest. Remember?
Yeah, like no one's there.
I know. So, here's the sidewalk. There's the long river. See, we didn't see a river in the forest. Of course. So, we're on the bridge. And now we're on the little path where we're looking. What do you think?
And that spider ate too much.
Okay, anyway. Yeah, so far this is going great. Look at all these buildings. Just look at them. Now we're on the busy part. Look at all these cars. Now we're gonna have to wait till green light comes. Now it's here. Let's go, 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 go. Victoria's so fast. Look at Victoria. Go, Victoria.
And you guys didn't make it.
Yeah,
you
we
didn't
did make it.
Oh, man.
We're walking on the sidewalk. Look at this. All these cars. Look at all these buildings. Look at all the advertisements set up on the road.
Advertisements.
Look at all those people just passing by.
Yeah. So that's cool.
We're crossing the road.
Let's go. Pink!
There's a car coming. Oh, no. There's cars coming.
Pink!
Anyway, we're going to Homeplus. No, the Grand Plaza. And here it is, this ginormous building.
CGV.
I don't know what that stands for. We're going in.
Credit Great Vine.
Cinematic, I don't know. So we're in the building, and now we're going up the escalator. I love escalators. Escalators are kind of fun. I mean, I do like escalators because they just do the work for you.
What if you walk down
Elevators take too long.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're going from one floor to another, I think you take an escalator.
Yeah. It's not worth it.
We're at the movie theater upstairs.
Yep.
Wait, no, the movie theater is upstairs. Okay. And this is the movie ticket booth.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the bowling pub.
Yep.
Are we going to go bowling? What? We're too little. We're not old enough to go bowling because the balls are too big and they're hard to throw. Yeah, there's a piano. No, that's not a piano. That's a chair. Whoops.
Piano chair.
I think you can order some drinks around here.
Yeah.
There's a couple of stuff. This is kind of like gives me like the bar, like a billiard. There's billiard, yeah. This gives me like flashbacks of a bar or something, you know? Like a place where you can just go and have fun.
Yeah, I guess so.
But for adults, because kids would think this is boring. Kids like playrooms. This is actually very nice. Look at all the colors of balls. Mm-hmm. My favorite are the green balls.
I like that yellow.
And then we found this shooting thingy.
That's closed.
Yeah, it's closed. Definitely. Closed. Anyway, so far this place is rather boring.
Yeah.
But it's kind of cool, honestly. It's quite cool. I mean, the way they made this. This is like a ping pong table. It's kind of cool, but where do you get the balls? And this, I don't really know what that is. What do you think?
I think you have to play ping pong with a bowling ball.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Ping pong with a bowling ball?
You just break your pong.
Tora, that's not the name of the things you use.
They use mini bowling balls.
Really? They
do.
use like little plastic balls.
They do. Just
anyway,
say they do. It can be hard to tell when you're not right. They do. They use mini bowling balls.
Okay, well, we're gonna go down to the basement of Homeplus grocery shopping for some chocolates.
I wonder how we teleported here.
I don't know.
I'll get ready with another teleporting potion.
Teleport.
Now there's no teleporting.
Yeah. But anyway,
There's not enough snacks to make the teleporting potion because this teleporting potion is made out of sugar.
look at all these chips. All these chips. Who would eat this? Who would put this much? I didn't know there was this much chip brands in the world.
Yeah.
Look at this. So, yeah, the Homeplus is quite busy.
Ta-da!
Actually, it's not busy at all. Here's the chocolate aisle. Let's go find some dark chocolate. There's the dark chocolate for Daddy. Totally not me. I don't eat dark chocolate.
Neither do I.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. How beautiful is it?
Just imagine if you bought this whole aisle.
Oh, I know. The world of chocolate is just amazing.
Yeah.
Now we teleport all the way back home.
I got enough sugar to teleport.
Anyway, we're on the way back home.
And we're gonna. If there was any sugary food here, I would teleport.
I like this one because there's the road. Look at the pathway. Now stone and stuff. Better than the forest because the forest is just a piece of, I don't know, dirt junk.
Oh, we teleported because I found some sugar.
A little fountain. Look at that.
Look at that little boring.
Maybe
fountain.
that's a lucky. Maybe that's a coincidence that, I don't know. Maybe it's maybe we're lucky because we're stepping on lucky rocks. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.
Don't subscribe.
Click
Hit
the thumbs down.
down and don't hit the notification bell.
Bye.